Am I the only one that didn't know some cats can live into their 20s? Stick around. I'll show you 3 breeds that often do. Number 3, Russian Blue, sleek, quiet, hardy. Many hit their mid-teens with proper care. Number 2, Siamese, vocal, social, surprisingly long-lived. It's not uncommon for Siamese to reach 15 to 20 years. And number 1, Burmese, affectionate, sturdy. Many Burmese enjoy 18+ years. Quick tips to boost any cat's lifespan. Keep them indoors, feed high-quality food schedule, regular vet checkups, give daily play and cuddle time. Want more breed deep dives? Hit follow and I'll make it a series.